Hi guys, let's see how you can model this part in Onshape. Is a model Mania part of 2020 for SolidWorks. This one is the first phase. Then you're going to go to the second phase. You can say here 2020. Let's now begin by this part. Let's first understand this part. As you can see, we have this. You can make this central section. Then create this. Extrude to certain height defined by this 112, then circular pattern, then you have all three holes. But you can see you're going to use a different approach to create this countable. You're going to see. I'm going to begin by creating a new part. uh, I'm going to begin by creating a new part here. This is a 2020 model Mania part. We begin by sketching this profile here. If I go to the top view, sketch normal, two circles here. Diameters is one is 16, the other is 22. F to fit. I need now to define this length. You can see the bold circle, this one here. That is 70. Therefore, therefore this one's supposed to be there. Therefore, I also need a vertical line so that I can define that dimension. From this point to this line to be 70. To be that 5, but not it is a diameter. You can see diameter goes the other side. I want to hide my planes. This one is for construction. I'm going to create some circles here. The first one is the outermost, that is R6, that is 12. The other one is I'm going to create the countable sketches here. That is we have 4.5, that is a Drew one, and we have 8, that is 4 mm. We have a dimension wrong circle like that. But now for the 8, I want it to be for construction. Then I need a line there. I want to mirror this line via this center line there. This one is supposed to be 22 from the drawings. You can see here 22. Then it's supposed to be tangent. Then this point and this circle is supposed to be coincident. On this side is you can't be able to define the termination. Therefore, I'm going to terminate it on this line for now. Therefore, this point and this one coincident. Then from this point, create a line like that. Okay. Let's first create our first extrude, that is a height of 22. Now my second extrude will be made by this sketch, but I don't know. I need a profile where I will terminate at. Therefore, I have to go back to the front view and create a line like that. A line at the center here. Oops, like that. Let me first terminate this. Then the angle between these two lines must be 112. This to this 112. I can now terminate this to this. You can terminate it. Then I need to define this section to this section. Therefore, I go back to sketch 1. Let me make my sketch intelligent by adding a point here. There. Therefore, if I go back to my sketch 2, now I can define this point to this point to be vertical, and I can define dimension from this point to this point to be it's supposed to be from the design is from the blueprint is what is it? what is the one 12? Let me just check that distance. Okay, this one is 4 6. Yeah, this 6, can see here 6. Therefore this one is a 6. I can now use this sketch to revolve a surface. I want to revolve a surface because now I want to extrude up to the surface. Therefore I can now extrude my sketch here, my contour here. I can extrude. Instead of glide, I can go up to face or up to part, this part. Okay, I can now hide the sketch. Then I want to go back to the sketch. This one here is supposed to be 4 mm from the far side. Therefore I'm going to sketch on this face, use this and convert it. Then I'm going to extrude cut, remove this. I want to remove that sketch the other side, but I want to start offset 4 mm. Therefore from this face to this one here is 4 mm. Now you can hide your sketch like that. You can now create a circular pattern. I want to use pattern. This cylinder, three pieces, and we are adding them to this. Lastly, we have fillets, that is 22. This edge, this edge, this edge, and 1. The fillet of 1 here to this edge and this edge here. Now you can assign appearance to 1 fillet and now appearance to full part, and you can delete your surface body here. Therefore I can delete the surface body, I don't need it. That is a first step, you can see. That is then you have a step 2, that is you have to remodify your design to this one was supposed to need to now make it 8, and you have some shell 8, 30 here and a shell. The best thing to do is you go back to the main sketch here. Then first of all we have to edit the main sketch. Here I made a mistake. Oops, I made a mistake here. It was supposed to be 22, not 33. I didn't notice that. Let's first of all go back to the head, see how it looks like. Roar to head. Let's first of all see how it looks like. Okay, yeah. Okay, sorry for that. Roar to here. I have to edit this dimension here to be, I can see here it is 8, make it 8. Okay, now my extrude here, you have now to reselect again, because now it is 8 like that. We continue, sketch 2. Yeah, that's fine. Revolve is still there, surface is still there, you can see it was not affected. Extrude 2, yeah, that's fine, it was not affected because it was up to part. Sketch 2 for the bottom hole was not affected, you can see the countable is there. If you go to circular pattern, now this one will be affected, not affected because you used the part, not a feature. The fillet will be affected because now the fillet can't combine here. Therefore you have to delete this fillet, but you have to create this fillet manually. Let me hide the sketch here. It's simple now. No more. And a knock from this one to this, and it's supposed to be tangent. Watch out for the automatic constraints. Okay, this and this this one and this one to be tangent, this and this to be tangent. Dimension is supposed to be 22, no, not 22, but 30. Then you can extrude up to part. I want to extrude this one here. Change up to part, this part. Then you can hide your sketch, your surface. Then you have to circular pattern again, but this case you can't circular pattern a feature, you have to circular pattern a part. It's okay, because you're going to put three, the part will combine if you say adding to this. Yeah, you can't notice, but now it is circular patterns the fillet of 30. Go next. My fillet, something is missing here. Before this fillet, we need to shell. You can see we have a shell of 3 mm. Therefore, you have to shell 3 mm this face like that. Then you have to fillet everything in the shell. Edit. I have to remove this fillet here. You can now select all the items inside the shell. First for maybe faces, then edges. Yeah, just select everything there and fillet. Yeah, fillet everything. Yeah, after fillet, I think we are done. Now you can delete your part. Yeah, that's how you model these two in Onshape. If you have any question, please comment in the section below. See you in my next video.